Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to solve an example on quadratic equation. So let us try to solve this example. The product of two consecutive numbers is given as 72, then we have to find the numbers. So first let us consider the smaller number to be x and the larger number as x plus 1. So given that the product of these two consecutive numbers is 72, and as we have considered the numbers as x and x plus 1, the product of these numbers would come as x into x plus 1, which is given as 72. So now let us multiply x with the group x plus 1. We get x into x as x square and x into 1 as x. Now let us transfer 72 to the left hand side. It becomes minus 72 is equal to 0. Now let us factorize this. So by multiplying minus 72 and the quotient of x square 1, we get here minus 72. So let us write here the factors of minus 72. So first let us write the factors of 72. We have here 8 and 9. So here if we write minus 8x plus 9x, we get here 1x, which is the middle term of this expression. So we can write this expression as x square plus 9x minus 8x minus 72 is equal to 0. Now let us take x as a common factor from the first two terms. We get x into x plus 9, and by taking minus 8 as a common factor from the other two terms, we get here minus 8 into x plus 9 is equal to 0. Again, by taking x plus 9 as a common factor, we get here x plus 9 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. So by this, we can say that x plus 9 is equal to 0 and x minus 8 is equal to 0. So by transferring plus 9 to the right hand side, we get here the value of x as minus 9, and coming over to here, if we transfer minus 8 to the right hand side, we get the value of x as 8. Now let us consider x is equal to minus 9, and the smaller number would be minus 9 and the larger number would come as x plus 1, which is nothing but minus 9 plus 1. So this would be minus 8. So here if x is equal to minus 9, then we get the two consecutive numbers as minus 9 and minus 8. And let us assume x is equal to 8, then the smaller number would be 8 and the larger number x plus 1 would come as 8 plus 1, which is equal to 9. So we can conclude that if x is equal to 8, then the consecutive numbers would be 8, 9. Now let us consider another example here. So given the length of a hall exceeds its breadth by 8 meters and its area is 180 meters squares, then we have to find the dimensions of a hall. So let us consider the length as x meters, and as here given that length of a hall exceeds its breadth by 8 meters, the breadth would be x minus 8 meters. So we know that the area of a rectangle is given by length into breadth, meter square. So here length is x and breadth is x minus 8 meters square, and according to the given condition the area is 180 meters square. So let us equate with 180. Now let us multiply x with the group x minus 8. We get here x square minus x into minus 8 would be minus 8x, and let us transfer 180 to the left hand side. We get minus 180. Now let us factorize this equation. So let us multiply the constant term 180 with 1. We get here 180. So the factors of 180 are 18 and 10, and here if we write minus 18x plus 10x, we get minus 8x, which is the middle term of this equation. So we can write this expression as x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180. Now let us take x as a common factor from the first two terms. We get x into x minus 18, and by taking 10 as a common factor from other two terms, we get 10 into x minus 18 is equal to 0. Now let us take the group x minus 18 as a common factor. We get x minus 18 into x plus 10 is equal to 0. So therefore this would be x minus 18 is equal to 0 and x plus 10 is equal to 0. So if we transfer minus 18 to the right hand side, we get the value of x as 18, and if we transfer plus 10 to the other side, we get the value of x as minus 10. So here x is equal to minus 10 is not permissible as length of a room cannot be negative. So the length would be 18 meters. And we can find the value of breadth by substituting the value of length, that is x, as 18 in x minus 8. So by substituting we get here 18 minus 8 as 10 meters. So we get the breadth as 10 meters. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve an example on quadratic equation. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to weteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.